Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last video tutorial, we had a quick overview about DFS and BFS. In this video tutorial, we will go deep dive into DFS. In DFS, following are the generally used way for traversing a tree. So here, tree traversal is divided into mainly three categories. First one is pre-order, then in-order and post-order. So when we are talking about pre-order, root will come first and then left right. That means root will be before the left right node. Then in the in order, root will come between the left right node. And then we have the post order where root will come last after left right node. So this is the simplified way to remember where our root node will come. Once we know this, we have our tree. And in pre-order, we need to cover this tree. So firstly, we will start with our root node. So here we will get 8, so we will write 8. Then we will check for the left node and there we will get 4. So we will write 4 here first and then we will check left and right node for the 4. So yes, the left and right node is existing. Firstly, we will go to the left node and there we will get 1. So as a root node there, we will write 1. And then we will check for the left and right node to the 1 and that is not present. So we will traverse back to our parent node, that is 4. And then we will go to the right node. So we will write 6 there and then we will check for left and right node there. As it is not present there, we will again go back to our parent node. And once our left, right and our node is completed, we will again go back to its parent node, that is 8. And there we will check for the right node now. So it is 10. So we will write 10 and with this our pre-order is completed. Then in our next case, we have in order. As the name suggests, in order. That means root will come between left and right. So here we will start with our root node, but here our left will come first. So we will start with root node 8. Firstly we will check for the left node. If it is existing, then we will go to that. So here we will start with our root node, that is 8. And then we will check if the left part is existing, so we will go there. So here now we will come to 4. Then again we will check for the left node. Again it is existing, so we will come to 1. This time there is no left node. So we will write 1 first. Once that is done, then we will go to the root node. So our root node here is 4. So we will write 4 here. Once that is done, now we will come to our left part of our root node. That is 4 for now. So we will write 6 here. Once that is done, we will again come to our parent node, that is 4. And once our left structure is fully completed, now we will go to our parent node, that is 8. So we will write 8 there. And then we will go to our right node, that is 10. So 10 is written. In this way, in order works. Then we have post order, where we will first cover left, right and then root node. So starting with 8, we will first go to the left part, then we will go to the right part, then again we will come back to our root node. So in this manner it works. So firstly we will come to our root node 8, then we will come to 4 as it's a left part. Again we will check whether it is again having left or right or not. So it is having. So we will again come here 1. So 1 we will write. Then we will again traverse back to our parent node. And there we will check, is there any right node? Yes, 6 is there. So we will write 6. Once left and right part is completed, we will write our root node there. So that is 4. So we will write here 4. Once that is done, now our left part is completed. So we will go to our parent node 8 and there we will check for the right node. So yes, right node is there 10. So we will write 10 there. And then we will come back to our parent node, that is 8. So in this way, all these traversal work. And one important things to keep in mind that we need not to forget this traversing order. Pre-order, in-order and post-order. It's very easy. Pre means first, so root will come first. In means middle, so root will come in the middle. Post means after, so root will come after the left right node. It's so easy. Once we know all these things, now our next question will be where to use it and how do I come to know that which traversal is the better. So let's see that. Here, when we need to explore route before inspecting any leaves, so go with the pre-order. As the name suggests, pre-order, that means root node will come first, then left right. And when we need to explore leaves before inspecting any route, at that time go with the post order. Again the same concept, the name suggests post order. So route will come last. Firstly left and right will come. In our practical application, using in-order data is sorted and using pre-order, clone or duplicating a tree is very easy. So keeping all these things in mind, we can use our traversal method. And here in order, you can see our data is completely sorted. We have 1, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And using pre-order, again recreation of this tree is super easy. With this, we will sum up this video tutorial, but yes, our practical implementation is still pending. That we will cover in our next video tutorial. Thank you very much for now and please follow my complete playlist to have good understanding about data structure and algorithms.